दीपक जो जल रहा था प्रभु की पावन वेदी पर, जलते जलते मिट गया है वो, जग ज्योति में समा गया है।
Pioneers bear the brunt of walking the unbeaten path. The followers will never know the hardships of those who paved the way. The pains of a pathfinder may be untold. While some shudder at the very thought of pioneering, a few like Father Jose Varghese Chariot, with unflagging energy and enthusiasm, boldness and readiness, come forward to steer the bandwagon.
My provincial Father Samson, I remember, asked me, are you willing to go to Sagar as a missionary? Outright I told him, I am not willing to go there. After 3 days, I asked him, why did he ask me? There are so many members in my batch or group. Then he told me he had asked all the members of my group. No one was willing to go. Then I took it as a challenge. Then I offered him, I am willing to go to Sagar.
The veteran missionary came back to his homeland after long years of pastoral work in South Africa. Nothing ever diminishes his missionary zeal. He was fit as fiddle and fresh as daisy. There are a few who venture into the uncertainties of life, hoping against hope, fighting all odds and still maintaining the composure of a hero. Sagar Diocese and the CMI St. Paul Province are indebted to Father Jose Varghese Chariot for his long and eventful missionary endeavors spanning almost half a century. The untiring and unflinching attitudes of this missionary religious priest are intimately great. An accomplished builder, perfectionist, a kind-hearted pastor, a qualified counselor, and a seasoned missionary. The friendly presence of Father Jose Varghese would always bring cheer and loud laughter to people around him. He never hesitates to call a spade a spade. A versatile actor, he has amused and entertained the audience every time the priest of the diocese staged a drama on the occasion of the diocesan day in Sagar. A master builder by nature, he has constructed a number of impressive and monumental buildings in all the mission stations he worked. Many convents, CMI residences, schools, chapels, and presbyteries that we see in Sagar Diocese today are the handiworks of Father Chariot. He would never compromise on quality and beauty, as he believes what he builds should stand the test of time. After many years of work in the missions, he took a breather to do higher studies in the United States. On his return from the US with a laudable master's degree in counseling and guidance, Father Jose volunteered to render his services in the newly erected Diocese of Kalyan and started his counseling services in Mumbai, where he put to optimum use his skills in family counseling and guidance. In 1992, the St. Paul's Province was invited by the Bishop of Jabalpur to extend its mission to the district of Narsinghpur. The district was expected to be developed with many more mission stations and activities. The Sachidananda Ashram had already been taken over by the province. Father Jose Varghese was the choice of the superiors to spearhead the activities of the new territory, and soon he was appointed the Acharya of the ashram. He was instrumental in facilitating the growth of this new mission of the province. He readily and enthusiastically accepted the responsibility and rendered his service there for more than 8 years. Eventually, he was entrusted with the additional responsibility of establishing a school in Narsinghpur, as the province wanted to start more missions in the district. Since then, the CMIs have left no stones unturned in all-round development of the district. The fervent pastor in Father Jos Verghese always prompted him from within to fully involve himself in pastoral care. His dedication and love for the place and its people was so characteristic that he was fondly called Gunacharyat by his friends, so much that it almost became his identification. The qualities of the Good Shepherd enamored him with the people he served in the country and abroad. The benevolent pastor who loves his flock and wants to nurture his faithful with the best of everything, Father Chariot threw himself heart and soul into the South African mission when he learned that the province was taking up that mission. His unassuming personality and the passion to bring to perfection any commitment he undertakes makes him a much sought-after person. When everyone would desire for a cozy retirement after long years of work in the missions, it was at the age of 60 that Father Jos Verghese opted to go for mission work in South Africa. It was more than a challenge. Mission was his passion. This venturesome dispositions and indomitable spirit of this self-made man make him a model missionary. He was diagnosed with cancer in the year 2017. He was very hopeful and accepted his condition with courage. Reverend Father Jos Verghese Chariot was called to eternal rest on 21st June 2018. He has left behind us a great legacy for all, a single-minded determination to follow Jesus with uncompromising stand for truth and justice, and the courage to speak it out, concern and passion for the weak and voiceless, above all, a big brother to count on. We pray, may his soul rest in peace.
दीपक जो जल रहा था प्रभु की पावन वेदी पर, जलते जलते मिट गया है वो, जग ज्योति में समा गया है। रो रही है आज कलीसिया, आहें भर रही है बलिवेदी, रो रही है आज कलीसिया, आहें भर रही है बलिवेदी, आहें भर रही है बलिवेदी। दीपक जो जल रहा था प्रभु की पावन वेदी पर, जलते जलते मिट गया है वो, जग ज्योति में समा गया है।